5 ways life is better when you feel more confident. Self-confidence eludes many people, and that's a terrible shame considering just how crucial it is to our success and our happiness. Once you start believing in yourself, so too do other people. And when that happens, doors start opening and opportunities begin to present themselves to you. With that in mind, let's take a look at some of the ways that life gets much better once you have rock-solid confidence in yourself. 1. Dating. This is obvious, but being more confident in who you are makes you considerably more successful in dating. Confidence sends a social signal that a person is a good potential mate, and this in turn makes that person far more attractive. The assumption is that they must have something to offer, whether that's resources or just genetic material. This is an unconscious process, of course, but it makes a huge impact in terms of your dateability. And yes, that is a word. 2. Appearance. Believe it or not, being more confident makes you physically more attractive. This happens in countless subtle ways as you take on a more confident body language, and as you start to dress in a more confident way too. 3. Career. Confidence gives you the gumption you need to put yourself forward for things, to take risks, and to speak up. It also gives others confidence in you, which can result in them investing in you more. The result is that you more quickly climb the corporate ladder and become more successful in your own ventures too. 4. Health. Being more confident makes you considerably more happy. When you like yourself, you become happier with your own company. You go easier on yourself and you have less to worry about. All this has an additional knock-on effect on your health. Less stress and anxiety and less depression all help to increase your immune function and to reduce your likelihood of becoming ill or even injuring yourself. 5. Relationships. Your dating life will start going better when you're more confident, not to mention your sex life. But so too will your relationships elsewhere. Being more confident means you'll be less clingy and less defensive, which makes it easier to make friends. It also means you'll be more assertive, meaning others are less likely to try and take advantage of you. And it will make you a more effective leader too.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.